switch hands and the thumb roll drill. Thumb roll drill is by Tom Gibbons, if I remember correctly. So basically what this is doing is it's making you shoot right hand only, left hand only, two hands right hand, two hands left hand, as if you're left-handed. So that way you're using your dominant hand and your non-dominant hands. So before I get into the thumb roll drill, the switch hands is the main thing. I picked this one up from Gabe Suarez. So the main thing on the thumb roll drill is literally all you're doing is establishing a good grip, taking your left hand away or your non-dominant hand away. So, and however it is that you shoot, right hand only, now you're going to switch it into your left hand only. In order to do that, I flag my thumb. I move my thumb over to the right side of the slide, keeping my finger off the trigger while I'm doing this. And that's opened up a gap right here. And all I do is bring my left hand in and establish a left-handed grip. Move this to where it's maybe a little bit easier to see. So if I'm right hand only, comes over, thumb covers that space, left hand only, thumb comes up, rolls over, other hand comes in. So this is probably not the exact way I originally learned it. But it's a very smooth and easy transition. The main thing is that you just need to work on it. And that trigger press with your non-dominant hand is really important, especially making sure that your sights are aligned. I'm not paying attention to my sights right now, but when you do this, you should do each and every time get a good sight picture, sight alignment, smooth press to the rear of the trigger. So the thumb roll drill, what you're going to do is you can start it from a full extension, or you can come from a draw, whichever one that you actually prefer. So you can start it off with right hand only to work on that. So what you're going to do is right hand only, fire 2 rounds. Good sight picture, trigger press. So then my left hand's going to come up. I'm going to establish a good firm regular two-handed grip, good sight picture alignment, press, 2 rounds. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transition it into my non-dominant hand using both hands. So I'm going to do the switch, establish the grip as if I'm left-handed, which is really, really weird, especially for me. Fire 2 more rounds. I'm going to take my right hand away. I'm going to place it on the sternum. We'll fire 2 more rounds. Left hand only. We'll bring my dominant hand back up. I'm still shooting as a left-handed. 2 rounds. Now I'm going to do the thumb roll. Two-handed grip. Right hand only grip. That's not actually up in front of the frame good enough for you. So 2 hands as a left-handed, left hand only. 2 hands as a left-handed, right-handed 2 hands, right hand only. And switch back and forth on those. Again, if you're doing this live fire, have somebody else load your mags with different numbers, so that way you're forced to do a reload as a right hand only. Regular two-handed reload. Reload as if you were left-handed, and then a reload in which it's left hand only. So that's really going to make you think about where your gear is placed. So it's always going to be optimal to keep it with your dominant hands, but you need to be able to switch hands just in case. So, all right, that's the thumb roll drill and the switch hands drill. So that's a homework assignment. Do 10 reps of each for a total of 3 sets. Homework.